Should work. There we go. There goes nothing. Ah, perfect. There it goes. Yeah. One rack out of the way. Oof. Holy shit.
Get her down, we'll move the rack.
Alright. Probably there's good. You think? Oh no, he's got it going good. Looking good. Need to come to you a little bit, Lance.
What's that? You gotta bring the rack over this way.
That should do it.
You gotta get the body inside. Going over further, folks.
Oh, shit.
You inside the back, all right?
Yeah, actually.
You're inside, right?
Yeah,
You see where the placement's supposed to line up?
I do. Yeah. We're not.
Right up into here, but
we're-
it won't touch. We'll touch down first, all right?
All right.
So we move the front.
All right, I got it.
All right, bring her down a little bit, man. More for you, though.
All right, I got it. Looks good.
Now we're down.
We gotta go up and down. I think it'll be good, right?
Yeah, we're just gonna list this one, I think. Bring her down a little bit, man. Bring it down.
Oh, we are missing. Nice. Barely. Should throw a piece of cardboard in there right now?
No, we're fine.
We're down?
We're down. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
All right, coming down again. When you're ready. I'm clear. I'm down?
Sweet. Thanks for that. I appreciate it, man.